Za mano so vojaška reševalna vozila, ki jih ravno kar prevzemamo z veliko hvaležnostjo. Zahvaljujemo se našim zaveznikom, Američanom, za donacijo vojaških reševalnih vozil, ki jih bomo s pridom uporabljali doma in v tujini, kjerkoli se bo pokazala potreba. Tako se kaže solidarnost znotraj zavezništva, tako se kaže, kako smo lahko skupaj močnejši. Moja iskrena zahvala gre Ameriki in pa seveda ameriškemu veleposlaništvu v Ljubljani, ki je skupaj z Ministrstvom za obrambo poskrbelo, da se je ta donacija zgodila. Hvala lepa, prava donacija v pravem času.
So, as the U.S. ambassador and representing the embassy here, our partnership with Slovenia is very important, and we've had a long-standing partnership. So, just the fact that I'm here and able to be a part of bringing in this medical emergency ambulance that's for our military or Slovenian military, and is exciting because not only is this for the NATO Readiness Initiative and a part of that, but it's also we're seeing in times of COVID-19 that there's always a medical need, and transportation's a very important part of medical mobility and being able to handle medical emergencies. And of course, it also is part of your partnership, Slovenia's partnership with the Western Balkans, and how Slovenia has always been a lead in initiatives with the Western Balkans, and this is one of them. So it's exciting, and to be able to be in the port and partner with this port during this time, so it's bringing in economic development as well, so economic prosperity. So we continue to want to partner and be a good partner, a NATO partner, an ally as well, and anything that we can do to partner with Slovenia and bring in any type initiative, we're excited to do. So thank you.